Hi everyone, hope you're doing well today. Okay, so today I thought that I maybe show you how to take care of the fake license error that you might see in Internet Download Manager. I've seen that many of you have trouble, dealing with this error. So yeah, let's see how we can fix it today. Alright, obviously first we need to run the application. You can also download it from the description under this video and then install the application. As you see, I'm installing it now. Alright, finished. Now let's see what happens. Yeah, you see that there's this error that you see while you run the application. This is the fake serial number error. And it kind of, prevents you from using Download Manager. Yeah, the fake serial error here. Alright, now to fix it, you need to close the application and make sure that it is closed from the quick launch. And then you need to run the second file. Just make sure you hit disable and then crack. Alright, this is done. Now let's open the application again. As we see in the registration button, there is no registration error anymore. You can go to help and see how you've got this lifetime registration for free, and you can see the registration number and everything there. Yeah, easy peasy. But remember, there is one thing you need to do, and that's open the file location and remove these two files that you have run in this program, because these files try to look for their updates automatically and then they'll become useless. So just remove them from the file location folder. By the way, if you do not have IDM active in your browser extensions, you could also, drag and drop it like the way I'm doing it. So I do drag this one and drop it here, and this way I can have IDM in my browser. Just to make sure you kind of search IDM after you added that to your browser. Yeah. Alright, also let's check and see if our download manager works perfectly fine. So let's download something and see what happens. Yes, it works. Yeah, it works without any license registration error. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and please feel free to share your comments and questions, and just let me know what you're struggling with on your computer, and then I'll make a video to show how to fix that.